Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Martyria. I hope everyone is doing good today. Today I'm going to be bringing you a haul from Amazon. I picked up 3 items that I want to share with you. But the first thing that I want to show you is this shirt that I have on. I just want everybody to take it in. It says Virgo. It says I have 3 sides: passionate and loyal, intelligent and driven, and the other side that you don't want to see. Okay. I bought this shirt off of Amazon. So I have a link down below just in case anybody is interested. But yes, I'm a Virgo. My birthday is Sunday, August the 30th. So, okay. So I just wanted to share that with everybody. Okay, the first thing that I have, okay, it's got from Amazon. We're gonna look at it. Okay. Okay, here it is. All right. And this is a small crossbody shoulder bag. Let's see, get into it. It's in the color 2 brown, and it was $16.98. Get into it here. All right. Okay, and here it is. I thought it was so cute. Yeah, you can carry it like this if you want to. Or it comes with a strap, as you can see from here. It comes with a strap, and you can wear it crossbody, which is the way I'll be wearing it, because when I go out and I'll be busy doing things, shopping or whatever I'm doing, I like to have my body crossed so I don't have to worry about it, about holding it in my hand. But got the little B on the front of it. Yeah. This is the back side. Okay. It's so cute, and the color, like I said, is 2 brown. Okay, thought that was real pretty. Okay, we're gonna open it up. So we have 3 different compartments. So we got one zipper here. That's a compartment. Then we have another zipper here. That's another compartment. Then we have a zipper on the back right here. So the first zipper, we're gonna open up the first one. It goes from there all the way over here. Okay, and that's the first section. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna, this is the second one. And so the second one, that's the inside of the bag. Let's see what we got inside. Look like we have a little charm inside for your bag. It says, I love Coney or something like that. Okay, that's what's inside. Okay, this is the inside of it. So I mean, it has enough room for your cell phone and a little wallet, maybe, and some lipstick, a little mirror. So you probably can fit quite a few things in here. Okay, and then we have the back side here. Okay, open it up. All right, and so there's the other compartment. Okay. Okay, so you have 3 different places to put things. So you end up taking you can carry a pretty good amount in this, in each little spot. And then you have the crossbody strap. Okay. It has right here where you can adjust it at to make it longer or shorter. Okay. I'll adjust it to make it I'm gonna make it longer because I'm gonna wear it crossbody. Let's see if that's longer. I need to carry it the other way. Let's see. Let's do it this way. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll adjust it and make it. Maybe it doesn't crossbody. Let me see. Let me hook it up and see what happens, because I thought it might be. Okay, that's one side. I'm gonna hook the other side over here. Alright, and there it is. So, okay, there we go. I figured it out like that to make it, okay, to make it crossbody. Okay, so you can carry it. Let's show you. Okay, you can carry it like this if you want to, like this, like on you, or you can do it, or you can carry it like this. Pull the straps up and put it on your shoulder and carry it like this if you want to. It goes right up on your arm, or you can pull this like this. Like that, and then make it crossbody. There we go. Okay, like that. Let's go back so you can see it. Yeah, that's cute. That's very cute. I like that. I like being hands-free. So that's three ways you can carry it. Okay, so, and it is by, it says small crossbody shoulder bag for women, and it's not genuine leather. It's the quality is PU leather. Comes with removable straps and a unique ornament. So it's real cute, and like I said, that's like Gucci inspired. Yeah, so I thought it was real cute. Okay, the next item that I bought was is this. Okay, the next item is like a table that I bought for my computer to use in the bed. Here it is. It comes in this box right here. So I just opened it, but I haven't looked at it, so I'll take it out here. Here it is. Okay. I was trying to get something to use in the bed that that's like a tray. A tray you use like a breakfast tray. And so I wanted something like that to put my laptop on. So that's what I seen this, so I got this. So here it goes. It opens up like this and claps. And locks into place, and here it is. So how it goes across you, just like this. Okay, and it also, let's see which way it is. I think it's, oh, and it also opens up. So it opens up, and so now you can put your pens, you know, a tablet, a book that you're reading, anything, you know, down at the bottom. That's why I got it. I like that because I like to put my agenda in here, and at night, you know, I'll be, you know, writing down appointments and anything that I have going on, you know. So that's that. It's just like this. And like I say, you just put it across you, just like a little breakfast table. It goes across you, and like that. And then you just sit your computer up here, or I mean, it even says you can, you know, use it for, you know, to eat on, or if you want to. But, and then you can just bend it up like this, and it folds up like just like that. So you can carry it with you, slide it in a space or something like that. So I like this, so I thought I'd get this and use it when I'm sitting in bed on my laptop. Well, that's all I have for you today. Hope everybody's being safe and wearing their masks and washing their hands and everything and keeping your distance like you're supposed to. I guess that's all. Hope everybody have a great night, a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.